Hi everyone, welcome to episode 1 of my journey starting a bracelet business on social media from my desk at home. I'm so excited to have you here. If you don't know me yet, my name is Susan and I'm the founder of this little crystal bracelet business called Orclet. In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and share pretty much everything. From how I started, how I came up with the business name, the products, and the details of my very first product launch. Now, let's dive in. And in the background, I'll be making my INTJ bracelet for my upcoming product launch, which is a bit complicated and I'll explain later in the video. So I've always been a huge fan of crafting, like ever since I was a kid. I've been obsessed with making things. Whether it was hot glue gun creations, resin art, friendship bracelets, you name it, I've done it all. Last year, I bought a bunch of really pretty beads online and started designing my own necklaces and bracelets. I decided to sell them at a fundraiser at my school, and they were an absolute hit. Like, we sold out within the first couple of hours, and I was completely shocked. I couldn't believe how much people actually liked them. I even got a few pre-orders from students asking if I could make some more for them. And I was like, heck yeah, why not? And that's when the idea of starting my own business really clicked for me. I thought, what if I could reach more people on social media and share my craft with them? But here's the thing. I knew the jewelry market was super saturated, so I wanted to offer something unique and personalized, something that really stood out. For the longest time, I struggled to come up with a concept that felt special. Until recently, I had this light bulb moment. What if I made bracelets inspired by the 16 MBTI personality types? If you haven't taken the MBTI test yet, you totally should. It's this super detailed personality quiz that gives you a 4-letter type. I'm an INFJ, by the way. Drop yours in the comment below. It dives deep into who you are, your friendships, relationships, career paths, and a lot more. It was a huge thing back in my friend group for a while, and everyone was like obsessed with it. That's when it suddenly hit me. This could be the perfect selling point for my business. I could design bracelets that reflect the unique vibe and energy of each personality type. And after I got the idea, I went straight to work. And after a couple of weeks of hustling, designing, and bracelet assembling, I managed to produce 7 personality bracelets inspired by 7 different personality types. Okay, let's talk about the name. So I grew up reading Greek mythology and I really like the word oracle. It's weird because I think it sounds so rich and fulfilling, and I also like the meaning behind it. Like fortune telling, truth seeking, it's always there to guide the hero on their quest. So I took the word and added a little twist to it. I added a T at the end of it to make it orclet, like oracle bracelet. It's all about truth telling bracelets that help you wear the true you and grasp your own fate. That's actually how I came up with the slogan too. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the product designs. This part was so much fun, but also a lot of work. I did some research on each personality type, how they behave, what they like, their strengths and weaknesses, and a lot more. I also studied the different healing properties of different crystals to see which material would best complement each personality. More on this, check out my other video that explains each detail in depth. I also did some very scientific surveys, aka harassing my friends, to figure out which designs they liked the most. After all that, I came up with 7 bracelet designs in total inspired by 7 personality types. If you're into crystal energy and believe in their power, then this is definitely for you. If you don't, see it as another pretty accessory to be added to your collection. I'll be sharing more about how I make these bracelets on my Instagram and YouTube account, so make sure to check those out if you're interested. So as I've mentioned earlier, this is a bit complicated because my startup is still in its early stages and I still have a lot to figure out, like packaging, shipping, my website, and so much more. So it's kind of hard for me to set an exact day on which my product will launch and my store will open. So my estimation is somewhere in the middle of March. I think that's when I'll be ready and prepared because I don't want to be in a hustle and I want to give you guys the best shopping experience as possible. Meanwhile, I'll be documenting every step on the way on social media, also as a way to build customer base. Quite frankly, I'm really nervous about this. I don't know if anyone's gonna want to buy my bracelet. I just hope just one of my bracelet design is gonna resonate with one of you out there. And so thank you so much for watching this far. I'll finish making this bracelet and see you next time.